Understanding dementia, mechanisms, risks, and dietary influences. Dementia is a progressive condition that significantly affects cognitive functions, including memory, thinking, and reasoning. As age increases, the prevalence of dementia also rises dramatically, with more than 40% of individuals over the age of 90 affected. Understanding the mechanisms driving dementia and the role of diet in its progression is crucial for developing strategies to mitigate its impact. Key factors influencing dementia: energy and brain function. The brain, despite comprising only 2% of body weight, consumes over 20% of the body's energy. This energy is derived from carbohydrates and ketones and is metabolized in the mitochondria within brain cells. Oxygen is also essential for this energy production process. Additionally, the brain requires constant stimulation to maintain its functionality, analogous to muscle maintenance. Lack of stimulation can lead to significant degeneration, contributing to dementia. Genetics and epigenetics. While genetics play a role in predisposition to dementia, it's important to differentiate between the fixed nature of the genome and the dynamic aspect of epigenetics. Epigenetics involves the expression of genes, which can be influenced by lifestyle and environmental factors. Thus, individuals with a genetic predisposition to dementia can potentially mitigate their risk through lifestyle modifications. Inflammation and oxidative stress. Chronic low-grade inflammation is a significant biochemical driver of degeneration. Oxidative stress, a byproduct of energy production, can damage cells if not properly balanced. Environmental toxins, food preservatives, artificial colors, and food allergies also contribute to inflammation. Dysbiosis, or an imbalance of gut bacteria, can exacerbate this inflammation and damage the gut lining, leading to increased permeability and systemic inflammation. Top foods contributing to dementia. 1. Excess alcohol. Excessive alcohol consumption is a known neurotoxin that directly damages brain cells and contributes to leaky gut, food allergies, inflammation, and fatty liver. Moderate consumption, such as a glass of wine a few times a week, may have some benefits, but frequent heavy drinking accelerates brain degeneration. 2. Refined carbohydrates. Refined carbohydrates, including added sugars and processed starches, rapidly increase blood glucose levels, contributing to insulin resistance. This insulin resistance impairs glucose uptake by brain cells, leading to energy deficits and promoting dementia. The concept of type 3 diabetes highlights the strong link between insulin resistance and dementia. 3. Sugar. High sugar intake is a primary cause of insulin resistance and is highly addictive. Fructose, a component of sugar, contributes to fatty liver and dysbiosis. Natural sugars in fruits are less problematic due to their fiber content, but processed forms like fruit juices can have similar negative effects as added sugars. 4. Fish contaminated with mercury. While fish rich in omega-3 fatty acids like DHA are beneficial for brain health, many wild-caught fish contain high levels of mercury, a potent neurotoxin. Smaller fish such as sardines and herring are safer choices compared to larger predatory fish like tuna and swordfish. 5. Pesticide-laden produce. Certain fruits and vegetables, often referred to as the dirty dozen, are heavily treated with pesticides that are toxic to the brain. These include strawberries, apples, grapes, and spinach. Consuming organic versions of these foods can reduce exposure to harmful chemicals. 6. Artificial sweeteners. Artificial sweeteners like aspartame and sucralose disrupt gut bacteria, contributing to leaky gut and systemic inflammation. Despite being marketed as healthier alternatives to sugar, these sweeteners can increase cravings and have neurotoxic effects. 7. Bad fats. Trans fats and oxidized vegetable oils are harmful to brain health. These fats increase inflammation and oxidative stress. Instead, consuming stable fats like those found in olive oil and avocados is recommended. 8. Foods increasing sensitivities. Foods high in lectins, such as nightshades and certain grains, can exacerbate food sensitivities and contribute to leaky gut and brain inflammation. Modern wheat, in particular, contains high levels of gluten, which many people are sensitive to. Conclusion: dementia is influenced by a combination of genetic, lifestyle, and dietary factors. By understanding the mechanisms that drive its progression and the impact of certain foods, individuals can make informed choices to potentially slow down or mitigate the development of dementia. Reducing consumption of alcohol, refined carbohydrates, sugar, and foods with high levels of toxins, while ensuring a balanced diet rich in nutrients that support brain health, can be effective strategies in promoting cognitive longevity.